Alam mo kung ano ang sobra sa mundo ngayon? Payo. Libre, mabilis, minsan unsolicited, at madalas, mali ang timing o mali mismo ang logic. Kumusta mga aaral? Welcome sa Aral Yaman TV, kung saan pinag-uusapan natin ang tunay na mindset para maging mas madiskarte, mas madaling maabot ang goals, at mas handa sa buhay. Today, susunugin natin ang 10 na pinaka-common na dumb advice na madalas nating marinig. At oo, baka may tumama sa kilala mo o baka sa'yo mismo. Let's go! 1. Be yourself. Pero, which self? Ito ang isa sa pinaka-overrated na advice sa mundo. Kung ikaw ngayon ay anxious, tamad, hindi pa marunong mag-handle ng pera, o laging nagpapadala sa emotions, is that really the self na gusto mo? Mas wise. Become the version of yourself na proud ka. Hindi yung kung sino ka ngayon, kundi yung kung sino ang kaya mong maging. Be yourself only works kung nag-i-evolve ka. Otherwise, comfort zone trap yan. 2. Work hard and everything will fall into place. Sa Pinas, sanay tayo sa sipag. Kahit pagod, tuloy lang. Pero ito ang katotohanan. Hard work without strategy equals pagod lang. Kung gusto mong umasenso, kailangan ng marketable skills, networking, understanding ng timing, and improving your value. Work hard, yes, but also work smart. 3. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Hindi lagi. May mga experiences na hindi ka pinapalakas, pinapahina ka. Toxic workplace, toxic relationship, financial stress. Kung araw-araw kang kinakain ng stress, hindi ka lumalakas, unti-unti kang bumabagsak. Strength comes from healthy challenge, not constant trauma. Learn from the pain, pero wag gawing personality trait ang suffering. 4. Everything happens for a reason. Comforting, yes, pero minsan, nakakabubo. Hindi lahat ng nangyayari may mystical purpose. Minsan, pangit lang talaga ang desisyon. Minsan mali tayo. Minsan, kulang tayo sa information. Mas helpful, hanapin ang cause, hindi ang cosmic message. Results come from choices, not destiny. 5. Just wait. Love will find you. Ito ang favorite excuse ng tamad magmahal. Kung nasa bahay kayang, walang ginagawa, walang bagong kilala, sino ang magnanak sa door mo? Shopee rider? Kung gusto mong mahanap ang right person, ayusin mo ang health mo. Ayusin ang finances mo. Ayusin ang sarili mong stability. Right love finds you after you make yourself ready. 6. Do what you love. Gusto mong mag-business? Mag-art? Gumawa ng content? Sige. Pero kung wala ka pang pambayad ng kuryente, mahirap magpaka-dreamer. Passion is beautiful. Yes, pero passion without stability equals stress. Mas sustainable. Secure the basics. Build passion on the side. Expand when stable. That's the adult version of follow your dreams. 7. Good things come to those who wait. Bola-rara lang yan. Ang totoo. Good things come to those who prepare and take action. Waiting is not a strategy. Kung naghihintay ka lang ng opportunity, someone else is preparing for the same opportunity and will take it from you. 8. Time heals all wounds. Not always. May mga sugat na hindi gumagaling on their own. Trauma, betrayal, money mistakes, family wounds. Time helps only if you do something about it. Therapy, journaling, facing the pain, setting boundaries.
Healing takes time, yes. But more importantly, healing takes work. 9. Follow your heart. Pwede, pero dapat may guardrails. Kung puso lang sinusunod mo sa career, pera or investments or relationships, madalas mali ang ending. Use your heart for direction. Use your brain for execution. Combine the two equals wise decisions. 10. You're young. You have plenty of time. Pinakamalaking kasinungalingan. Hindi infinite ang youth. Hindi infinite ang chance. Hindi infinite ang energy. Kung gusto mo ng ibang buhay in 10 years, kailangan mo ng ibang habits today. Invest small. Learn big. Take risks. Build skills. Mamaya na is the most expensive phrase sa buong mundo. Lahat tayo naloko na rin ng nice-sounding advice. Ako man dumaan dyan. Pero habang tumatanda ka, mapapansin mo, ang tunay na growth nangyayari kapag nag-iisip ka ng sarili mong strategy. So, don't be yourself. Upgrade yourself. Smart work over hard work. Pain is a teacher, not a lifestyle. Don't romanticize destiny. Analyze cause and effect. Prepare yourself for love, opportunities, and change. If natamaan ka dito, huwag kang mag-guilty. Lahat tayo nagsisimula sa maling advice. Ang mahalaga, nagigising ka ngayon. Comment ng level up kung gusto mo pa ng mas maraming practical, straight to the point na financial and mindset lessons. At syempre, subscribe ka na sa Aral Yaman TV para hindi ka mahuli sa next na video. Salamat sa panonood. At tandaan, sa buhay, hindi sapat ang mabait ang puso. Kailangan matalas ang isip.